Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in India? Let's explore. Construction work is one of the most common and accessible jobs across India. The average annual gross salary is around $3,600, which is about $300 per month. After taxes, the take-home income is about $3,000 per year or $250 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In cities like Mumbai or Delhi, wages are higher, while in rural areas, earnings can be much lower. New workers may earn around $2,400 per year, while experienced workers or those with technical knowledge might earn up to $5,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.